Do your windows have cracks and gaps around the openings, around the frames? Do you have windows that you can't even open? If you answered yes to any of these questions, the next 90 seconds are going to make you proud of your home all over again. Everybody, my name's Chris Blease, and today I'm talking with Morgan Wiles and Sean Keefe, the owners and founders of WinChoice, the only real window manufacturer that will custom build windows for any budget and install them, eliminating the price markup of not one, but two middlemen in every remodeling project. Please tell me more about it.
Normally, a homeowner buys windows from a contractor who marks up that price. The contractor then goes and buys the windows from a Home Depot or Lowe's who also marks that price up. But with WinChoice, homeowners can deal directly with the factory, eliminating both the big home improvement stores and the contractor, saving you thousands.
Plus, the windows ship directly from our factory to your home where our factory-trained craftsmen install them in just one day. So the homeowner deals with only one company the whole way through the process.
But how does a homeowner start with that process? What do we do? How do we get going?
Yeah, it's super easy. Just call the number on your screen and speak to a special TV operator. They can have a design consultant in your home in as little as 24 hours, or you'll get a free price quote that's good for 1 full year.
And just to be clear, these windows are custom manufactured to your budget and come with a lifetime warranty that includes accidental glass breakage, so you'll never have to worry about these windows ever again.
Most of us don't have thousands of dollars laying around. Can WinChoice help out with monthly payments?
Actually, yes, we're kicking off factory direct pricing with a warehouse sale. So we're offering 50% off the price of installation and low monthly payments.
But if you call the number on your screen right now, we have a special TV offer. 0 cost for installation, plus no down payment, no interest, and your payments do not start until the fall of 2027.
Replace those old, inefficient, and broken windows with WinChoice's factory direct pricing. Call the number on the screen to get your project done now and pay nothing until the fall of 2027. Special TV operators are standing by now.